It's not magic, restoring damaged vehicles to like-new condition or transforming ordinary rides into extraordinary customs. But it does take creativity and training, like the training you'll receive at Lincoln College of Technology. Lincoln's Indianapolis campus is one of the newest and largest collision repair training facilities in the country. Our courses cover everything from basic collision repair to vehicle customization. You'll get hands-on training from ICAR-qualified instructors with real-world professional experience. And you'll train with industry-specific tools in an on-the-job environment equipped with down suction welding tables, sonar and laser alignment equipment, 75 working bays, and 4 industry-designed paint booths. Learn custom painting techniques like candies, airbrushing, and special effects, and work with the new waterborne paint systems. There's growing nationwide demand for trained collision repair and customization technicians. You could be one of them. Call or visit us online for information on how you can prepare for a rewarding career at Lincoln College of Technology. Class sizes are limited, so call now.